Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Feron Ina, and if you're new to this channel, welcome to my channel. And my name is Feron from Indonesia, and in today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how I'm filming my videos and edit it, and also I uploaded all my videos that you watch on YouTube. Everything is filming on my phone. So right now I'm filming this video using only this iPhone 7 Plus guys. So iPhone 7 Plus Rose Gold 128GB, and it's doing pretty good guys. For me it is enough. And before this iPhone 7 Plus guys, I used this iPhone 5s. So I start filming using this iPhone 7 Plus when we hike up Mount Proud. The video older than that using only this iPhone 5s. So this is how I holding my phone while filming with the back camera. So I just be like this, and you have to facing the light, so not back like. And if I want to show something in front of me, I only need to turn it like this. So it is much more easier guys. But sometimes if there's two people or more, it will be difficult for me to see if the other people with me are fit or not. So yeah, sometimes I'm using the front camera like this. So this is the front camera on iPhone 7 Plus guys, and yeah, the quality is still good but not the best guys. If you're using the front camera, you can see where the camera focus, but sometimes people will see on their face and not to the camera. So which one you prefer? I prefer the back camera. And when you use the front camera, it will be difficult if you want to show something in front of you like this. You have to turn like this, or yeah. Okay guys, so now it's time for me to show you how I edit my videos. So luckily on iPhone there's iMovie guys. So iMovie is free and it's in all the iOS apps, Apple products, you know what I mean guys. So now I'm gonna show you how I editing my videos guys. So we open the iMovie apps, and here we're gonna click at the plus here and choose movie, and we go to media, and I will go to videos, choose videos, and all, choose all. And now we only need to choose the video with that we want to edit guys. So I'm gonna start with, okay, this is just for example. So I'm gonna go with some videos and we choose the video that we want to use. So first, to cut the video, you just playing and you only need to choose where your video want to start. I think it's like that. Okay, I want to start here, and I only need to click on the video and choose split and delete the part that I don't want to use like that. So yeah, it is like this guys. Yeah. So some videos it will be like this, I don't know what you call it, but now we can turn it to landscape. Only use your finger, two fingers like this, and the video is landscape now. And yeah, only need to edit like before, cut videos and stuff. And this is the transition guys. So with this transition you will see the different like this or like this. Yeah, that's the example guys. So you can choose which one you like the most. But sometimes you want to focus on things here, like when I show you I'm filming with my phone, I only need to cut like this and cut here, and I want to focus on my phone. So I only need to cut like this and press with my two fingers, and yeah, zoom in and zoom out. So you can use your fingers to zoom in and zoom out the video that you want to zoom out. So you can see, yeah. And if you want to add more music, you can go on the play button and choose audio, go to your songs, and yeah, for example, it's on Paradise, and you can adjust the sound of your music. But if you want to show like the view and stuff, you only want to show the view without audio from your video, you only need to turn off the video on your clip and let the music play. So the music will be more louder. Yeah, just like that. There's also some option here, like you can make your video faster or slower like that, or you can add text, but yeah, it isn't the best, but yeah, it is good enough. And there's also some filters here. When you finish editing your videos, now you only need to save the videos, and yeah, it is enough. You can choose the size that you want. Okay, when I'm done with filming and editing, it's time for me to upload my videos. Before you upload your video guys, make sure that you go to your settings and go to display and brightness, and make sure the auto lock is never, because when you're uploading your video on YouTube, the screen have to still Oh, gimana sih ngomong? I'm not an English speaker, okay, but you know what I mean. So when the screen is on, and you only need to touch on the camera button here and choose video, and just choose which video that you wanna upload like that, and choose next. And I will prefer to pre-cut first before I publish the video, just because the description and the title and stuff. And you only need to click upload, just like that, guys. But I'm not gonna upload it now. Okay guys, so now it's getting darker and the quality isn't the best like I said before. And that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope this video helped you motivate yourself to filming with your phone with what you have now. And if you find this video helpful for you, make sure you hit the like button, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And I'm sorry if you're confused with my language, because yeah, English is not our first language. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye! Okay guys, so this is the road that we take to filming the video, guys. So make sure you hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Say hi to the vlog.